Hello my people, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm making one of my favorite recipes, Ghana style peppered chicken. Juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside, and coated in a rich spicy pepper sauce. This one is perfect for rice, yam, plantain, or even just on its own. You will love it, so do trust the process and let's get started. Now here is the chicken that I'm going to be using. I'll be using drumsticks and also chicken wings. You can also feel free to use any part of the chicken and it will work perfectly fine. Now I've already washed this chicken for about 2 times off camera, but for demonstration purposes, let's wash it for the last time. I already have some salt in my washing bowl. I'll add my chicken to it and also I'll pour in enough water to wash the chicken. Make sure to wash the chicken very well and also get rid of any fatty things on it as well. It's very important. Whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Now, after washing the chicken, I'll make small incisions, little cuts across the chicken. This step is important because it allows the spices and seasonings to go deep inside, not just stay on the surface. Every bite will be full of flavor. Don't rush this part. Take your time and cut gently, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. Now everything is nicely clean and it's time to season. I'll transfer all the clean chicken into a different bowl, and afterwards I'll season it with my almighty aromat chicken seasoning. This is my #1 seasoning powder. If you haven't tried it, what are you waiting for? Just go to the market, grab yours and enjoy. Trust me, after adding in the chicken seasoning, I will massage it on the chicken very well, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And afterwards, I'll also go in with some aromat allspice blend. So this is my favorite because you don't need to add in some fresh ginger, fresh garlic or fresh onions. If you want to add in more, that's just fine, but this too works amazing. So do try it. As I always say, it's so good. Lastly, I'll add in my salt to taste as well. I will stir everything to combine beautifully until the seasoning marries very well, and afterwards I'm going to set this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes for it to marinate beautifully. So whilst the chicken is resting, let's prepare our pepper mix. I'm using green pepper, scallions, red scotch bonnet pepper, Kpakpo Shito, and I'll also be using some garlic, ginger, onion, and some natural spices or herbs, which consist of bay leaves, coriander seed, and rosemary. You can feel free to use any vegetable or spice of your choice and you are good to go. This combination gives heat, freshness, and deep aroma, and trust me, you're going to love it. Now let's move back to our chicken. I'll place all seasoned chicken pieces into a cooking pot. I'll add in more aroma seasoning to it and also some of the blended pepper mix. I'll stir everything together very nicely and allow it to steam in its own juices. This step locks in all the natural flavor. So let's steam this on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes and it should be ready. Depending on your chicken pieces, check occasionally but don't keep opening the lid too much. The steam is doing the work for us. Okay, now after about 5 minutes of steaming, I'll add in enough water to help steam or cook the chicken very well. Allow it to steam properly is very important. Let's cover and allow it to do its own thing for extra 10 minutes and it should be ready. And we are back. The chicken is fully cooked, and so I'm going to carefully remove the pieces and place them in a strainer. This drains away the excess broth. Don't throw away the broth, it's full of flavor, and we'll use some later in the sauce, or you can either use it for anything else that you want. Okay, let the chicken rest in the strainer for a minute or two. This way it's ready for the next step, air frying. Okay, so I'll place the chicken pieces into my air fryer basket. It's a single layer. If you want extra crispness, you can slightly brush them with oil. I'll set my air fryer into 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 30 minutes. Kindly keep an eye on it until it's ready, okay? And afterwards, this is the end result. It's looking absolutely perfect and very good, in just the way I am looking for. Now it's time for us to prepare a pepper sauce. Next, I already have my oil heating up. I'll go in with my blended pepper mix. Stir gently and allow it to fry slowly. This removes the raw taste and makes the flavor sweeter and deeper. Keep stirring so it doesn't stick to the pan. Remember as well to fry this on medium-low heat until it darkens a little bit. And when you see that the pepper mix has really darkened a little bit, just the way you see it on your screen, it means you are getting to the final stage. And so next we're going to add some seasoning, and of course we're going to add some aromat shrimp seasoning and also some aromat chicken seasoning. Kindly feel free to use any seasoning powder of your choice, but without aromat this sauce is incomplete. Trust me on this one. We're going to add a little salt to it as well. Stir everything together very nicely and keep the heat on low and let it reduce gently. The sauce will start thick and glossy, and so at this point all that is left is to taste for seasoning and make sure everything is perfect. Now here comes in the chicken. As you can see, the sauce is already looking absolutely delicious. Now I'll add the air fried chicken into the saucepan and toast everything together. Don't let it sit too long, just a few minutes so the sauce coats every piece nicely. If you like extra crispy skin, you can even return the coated chicken into the air fryer for 2 to 3 minutes to lock the sauce in. And trust me, it's going to be the best decision ever. And that is it, pepper chicken ready to serve. You can enjoy this with rice, fried yam, plantain, or even with chilled drinks on the side. It's juicy, spicy, and packed with flavor. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic Ghanaian recipes. Until next time, enjoy your peppered chicken. Bye.